I do have merch. It's official. 2.5 years in this, maybe longer, I can't even remember. I buckled down and I did it. I found a way to do it that'll work great for everybody involved. Hooked it into my website and it is live. It is running. It is a beautiful thing. I do actually have some shirts samples I had sent to me. I have 6 shirts so far. 3 of them I have physically to show you in this video. Some of them are branded, some of them are not. I like the idea of having non-branded stuff. Just if you want to wear it, you like the image, you like the graphic, go for it. Someone asks where you got it from, you know what to say. First one is this guy. It's like little hop cones in the Matrix. Alright, let's see what it looks like on me. Ta-da! It is a shirt that can be worn and has a graphic on it. This is one of the branded ones, obviously. It has my name, Brawling the Hops TV, in the bottom. The second one of the 3 I have is this pretty sweet, unbranded one. It's just like a story. You got your water, barley, got your hop, got your yeast, got your pint glass. Just the process of making beer. In one simple shirt, one story. Look up far away when you're walking down the street, how cool you could look. Okay, the third one I got, and final to show you here with the actual physical shirts, is this one. It is a cone, and it has a whole brewery system in it. I don't know how well you can see that in the camera. And the color is slightly different. This sample, this is a little more yellowy. It'll look a little brighter for those who choose to purchase it. I think so when it's printed. And I did spill on it a little bit already, but just ignore that little stain. There it is, the 3 that I physically have that I had samples of. I'm going to show you what the shop looks like. I'm pretty excited about it. These 2 are my favorites. Probably, I don't know though. I'll just grab it in a second so you can see what it looks like up close. I don't know if you saw that in the screen grab, but it does say "Get Weird" all over the back of it. And I have a multitude of colors. Which the thumbnails are pretty bad. I might even remove these little thumbnails on the bottom, because right here, there, you can see different colors. So, but either way, I got black. I got navy blue. Anyway, you can go to the side and see that one. So the other one I have is this one. And this comes in a variety of colors too. It's a hop cone, obviously, is a light bulb. I got gray, I got red. Here's a gray one. And I got one last one. Another gonna be a hit with all the people out there. I'm sure of it. It says beer. Check this one out. So that one clearly says beer in SRM colors. I'll link it in the description below to direct to the shop. Peruse at your will. There it is. Overdue. Way overdue. I might even add stuff too. Maybe get like pint glasses at some point and bottle openers. But again, those might be more branded. These shirts are just, again, most of them aren't branded because I love the idea of not having logos splashed all over it. I like the idea of just doing something that anybody could wear and enjoy the graphic of beer, basically. I might even do some wine ones at some point. I'll probably do some whiskey ones. I don't know, maybe a little clothing line, if you will. That's not what I'm thinking with, though. This right now is just gonna be the beer for now. Enjoy the shirts.